The river's plea. Once upon a time, in a lush green valley, there flowed a beautiful, crystal-clear river named Purea. Purea was the lifeblood of the valley, providing water to all the creatures and plants. The animals loved playing in her waters, and the people of the valley depended on her for their daily needs. For many years, the people of the valley took great care of Purea. They made sure not to litter or dump waste into her waters. They taught their children the importance of keeping Purea clean, and the valley thrived with abundant crops and happy wildlife. However, as time passed and the village grew, some people began to forget the importance of Purea. They started dumping waste and garbage into the river, thinking that one small action wouldn't make a difference. Factories began to release pollutants into Purea, and soon, her clear waters turned murky and foul. The fish that once thrived in Purea began to die, and the animals that depended on her water fell ill. The crops in the valley started to wither, and the people found themselves facing water shortages and diseases. One day, a wise old turtle named Torto emerged